Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing a very simple vegetarian recipe which I cooked over the weekend, and also I will be sharing little bit of garden update once again. It's a very simple recipe yet very tasty and very weather appropriate for summer, so definitely give it a try. Here in my garden you can see I am just harvesting few okras. That is first okra which I harvested, right? That was over matured. That is those I took and kept for making seeds for the next season, and only few okras I got. After some times I came and removed that small okras also. Likewise, I got few tomatoes as well. As I get one or two from the garden, I use it in my day-to-day life. I don't accumulate it together. Whenever I get tomatoes, green chilies, everything I use. See, I got 5 okras, and even in couple of days I will be cutting 2 more, so there will be a little good amount for making something with that okra. That's all. Harvest for today is that's it. I just plucked few flowers also. Sometimes these flowers are great in flower pot too. That's what I did. With this little amount of okra, I prepared a very nice side dish which I will be posting in my Instagram reels or as shorts in YouTube itself. Definitely check it. I made okra, aloo and egg together, one small side dish. Sure, give it a try. It was very tasty. The recipe today I am going to share is Kadhi pakode, which is very popularly known as dahi vada or dahi pakode in South India, and also in Tamil they called as more kurambu. I have made this simple dish in a very interesting combo, like you just watch till the end. Along with kadhi pakoda, I am also preparing these plantains, that is raw banana, nicely fried. This is a very different way of frying raw banana. Nicely peel the entire green skin over the raw banana, that is plantains, and chop them in this shape, small cubes, and I will be adding some masala to this. That's going to be chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and little bit of ginger garlic paste. All the masala I will mix it up right away. Even asafoetida, that is hing, also I added. Nicely give it a good mix. In cast iron the effect is very nice crisp it comes, so definitely try to use cast iron while cooking. It's good for health too. I have taken enough oil. In that I added only jeera as tempering, and followed by this plantains which I applied masala and kept, right, that I will be adding. In between 2 to 3 times I gave interval, opened it and gave it a mix upside down here and there, flip it and cover it. After some time I added pepper powder and little bit of rice flour. Rice flour will give nice crispy texture on top. This is last time when I am flipping, right, that time I did this. Nicely check the salt also and cover it and leave. That's all. Your plantain is very much ready. Fried plantains. Now for preparing kadhi, I have taken enough yogurt. This yogurt is very sour. It is old yogurt. That's how we need it. Blend it and keep it aside. I have taken green chili paste. You can take green chilies and little bit of ginger piece. One long ginger piece and basin. Basin, you have to take 1/4 cup of basin and add water and nicely blend it in the blender. Keep it aside. Now let's start making the kadhi. I have taken enough oil. In that I will be adding mustard seed, jeera, little bit of curry leaves, onions, little bit of tomato, and this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Again I will be adding asafoetida or hing also at this point, and nicely fry it. Don't need to burn the onions. Now add this basin mix we have made, right, with the green chilies and even ginger. That you have to add the basin instantly. It will start to become thick. You have to keep adding little by little water and keep frying. I am just cooking it because the basin should nicely get cooked and the raw smell should go, and then I added the yogurt also, which I blend and kept. As you keep cooking, this will become thicker and thicker. Also adjust the salt, check the salt and add it, and start adding water little by little as it becomes thick. Whenever you keep boiling it, it will become thick. At the point you think now it won't become thick, that time you stop adding water. Now let's prepare the pakoda. For pakoda also I am preparing a little bit healthier version, onions and cabbage. You can see I have shredded cabbage and kept. I am going to make cabbage pakoda for this kadhi. And the pakoda mix which I mix for month of Ramadan, right, that only I am going to use here. So you will not see any extra ingredients I am adding in here. In the month of Ramadan only I made all this and kept, which goes all through the year. I really make in large quantity this bhaji, pakoda or bonda mix and all, right. If you make and keep, whenever it is very quick to make any kind of pakodas, even in the evening tea time, even sudden guest and all, it will be easier. That's how I am preparing that pakoda mix only. I am going to make pakodas for the kadhi. So it has all the ingredients you need for a pakoda. So you don't need to add salt also here. Only coriander I added. Now see, in kadhi in our house I definitely add coconut. If you don't have coconut milk powder or canned coconut, go for raw coconut while grinding the yogurt itself. But I have coconut milk powder, so I added coconut milk and coriander. That's it. Nice, bring it to boil and off the flames. Now let's prepare the pakodas. These pakodas, right, many different kinds of pakodas you can use for this kadhi. For this kadhi, basic everybody will use is onion pakoda. Today I have made cabbage pakoda. Next I will also share one more recipe of the same kind which I shared with my friends, kadhi pakoda. In that I added different pakodas, and also you can add vegetables also in this. That recipe again I will share after few days. Now see, all these pakodas will go inside the kadhi. Why you should keep adding water in this kadhi is all these pakodas will also absorb lot of water, and then the kadhi will become too thick. We don't want to end up having thick kadhi. That's why I told you should add enough water. Now you can see for the side I am preparing all these fryams and all. This is papad. Two kinds of papad I fried. One is that urad dal normal papad, and this is sabudana papad. Both are very tasty by the side of any combo of this kind. Always remember, whenever you prepare this kadhi pakoda, right, keep half of the pakodas by the side. Just simply raw pakodas on the side without the kadhi also will be very, very tasty, and it will give an extra interesting side dish for you in your plate. That's it. That's what I am doing today. See the interesting way of serving the food. I have shared always. This way is very special in your house. In your house you can also try. In our house it's super hit. Everybody love to see the food itself like this on the plate. You can see I have kept the pakodas without dipping in the kadhi, and by the side, on this side, it is the plantains fried and few fryams, and that is papads and all. Very, very healthy and tasty lunch in our house. Here it is ready. Hope you all like this recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.